Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I have a cool new app that you can try out on your Galaxy Watch that helps a lot with safety of your phone. Also I have a clean minimal design available for giveaway that's from Regarder Watch Faces. So don't forget to check it out. Okay, so name of this app is Radius Locker and it locks your phone whenever there is some disconnection between your phone and watch. I'll explain this. For example, you forgot your phone somewhere and it was also unlocked while watch is on your wrist. As soon as Bluetooth connection between your phone and Galaxy Watch ends, this app locks your phone. And I think this really helps a lot with safety and privacy. Once again, name of this app is Radius Locker. You have to install this app both on your phone and Galaxy Watch. Once installed, open the phone app and give all necessary permissions. So here first you have to enable this locking option. Then you have to make sure Galaxy Watch or any Bluetooth device that you want to use with this app is selected here. And that's it. You can also try out some more cool stuff with this app, like if someone tries to connect a new Bluetooth device to your phone. On my Galaxy Watch, as soon as I turn on airplane mode, my phone gets locked. That's because Bluetooth is disconnected. So check it out, and now let's see this new watch face from Regarder that is available under the name of Regarder Midnight on Google Play Store. As you can see, the design is kinda minimal with decent background information like battery percentage here, step counter on this side, and digital time highlighted here. Further at the top we have our day and date. Talking about customization, you can add different shortcuts on these 4 points, while no options are available for background colors. So give this face a try and comment down in the comment section as I'll be picking up lucky random winners for giveaway. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.